Good morning. So, in today's session, we will be dealing with what is a database management system, what is data mining, advantages and disadvantages of data mining, and what is called as CRM or customer relationship management. So, these are the things which we will be dealing on. So, let us see what is a database management system. Already, this was vastly discussed and studied in computer application and business. So, just to have a glimpse of what we studied last semester, database can be defined as a well organized collection of data that are related in a meaningful way, which can be accessed by different users but stored only once. So that is what is called a database. A database management system is basically a collection of programs that enables users to store, modify, and extract information from database as per the requirement. So we have what is called as data. Data is nothing but raw set of facts. Record. A record can be defined as a collection of related data items. Table, a collection of related records. Database, a collection of related tables or relations. So this is what we studied in computer application. So now the different types of database management system models. I think you will be familiar with this figure. Data network database model, relational database model, hierarchical database model, and object oriented database model. So please brush upon all the points which we studied last semester. So let us see, and I think this is very much known to you. And if you need any clarification regarding this, it is included in your notes. So please refer to the notes which will be given to you by the end of the day or maybe within 2 days. Then apart from this, what are the different components of database management system? There is 5 components. One is hardware. Hardware is nothing but the instruments or the equipments which we are using in order to process the database. Then we have software. The software is nothing but the actual DBMS between the physical database itself and the users of the system is the layer of software which is called as database management system. Then what is called as data. It is one of the important component of database management system. It is from the end user's point of view, the data is what it is most important. Then there are users, or that is the people who are using the database management system. There are different types of users: name users, online users, application programmers, sophisticated users, as well as database administrators. Then if you check the procedures are nothing but the instruction and rules that govern the design and use of the database. So what are the procedures or the instructions and the rules that govern the design and use of database is what will be there in procedures. So these are the 5 components of database. Apart from this, we had studied what are the advantages, disadvantages of database management system. So please refer to the notes in case you need more clarity over it. Please feel free to contact me. Then another one which we learned is something called SQL. SQL is nothing but structured query language. It is a special purpose language used to define, access, and manipulate data in relational database management system. This again you had seen in your last semester. So that's all about database management system. Now coming to the next one, that is data mining. Data mining helps in analyzing and summarizing different elements of information. Mining process is a form wherein which all the data and information can be extracted for the purpose of future benefit. Okay, so from database, whatever relevant data you have to take out, that process is called as data mining. So what are the purpose of data mining? The first one, it helps to identify the shopping patterns. For example, most of the time while designing some shopping patterns, one might experience some sort of unexpected issues. So mining methods discovers all the information about these shopping patterns, and if there is some recurring problems which is happening, it will be taken care. Second one, it increases website optimization. Data mining helps to discover all sorts of information about the unknown elements, and adding to that, data mining helps to increase the website optimization. How it can be used, okay, how it can be made more effective, that is what can be done using data mining. The third one is it is beneficial for marketing campaigns, uh, because it helps to identify the customer response over a certain product available in the market. And the next one is determining customer groups. It helps to provide the customer response for marketing campaign. It also provides informational help while determining the customer group. And the fifth point is it helps to measure profitability factors. Based on the response of the customers and the customer groups, it will help you to measure the factors which can make your business profitable. Data mining processes differentiate key factors between profit and loss elements of the business. And the last one increases brand loyalty. The marketing campaigns use these mining techniques to understand the behavior and habits of their own customers, and it allows their customers to choose their brand of clothes which make them comfortable and things like that. So it increases your brand loyalty. So these are the purpose of data mining. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of data mining. So first one is it it is helpful to predict future trends. Like once you know the shopping trends and the customers perception about any brand or customers general behavior, it is helpful to predict the future demands or the trends which will be there in the market. It is quite possible with the help of technology and behavioral changes adopted by the people. Second one, it signifies customer habits. For example, while working in the marketing industry, one can understand all the matters of customer behavior and their habits, and that is possible with the help of data mining systems. Then the third one is helps in decision making. After getting valuable data from the customer side, you can make sure that these data which is being taken out can be used by the management to improve upon or to come up with certain decisions which will be helpful in increasing your sales. Next one, increase company revenue. As people can collect information about the marketed products online, it can eventually reduce the cost of the product and their service. Last, next one, it depends upon market-based analysis. Uh, Basically, data mining process is a system where in which all the information has been gathered on the basis of the market information, and in the current scenario in any marketing, the customers play a crucial role in making a company come up with good decisions. So it depends on the market based analysis. So data mining, since it is purely based on the market, it gives much more input to the company, so the management to take effective measures. Last one, quick fraud detection. since it is gathered with the help of data analysis. With the help of this marketing analysis, one can find out any fraudulent acts and products available in the market. So these are the advantages of data mining techniques. Disadvantages: first one, it violates users' privacy without, sometimes without even knowing the uh, that the customer activities are being recorded. It is being taken by the companies in order to improve their products. Second one, additional irrelevant information. Like when they are collecting information, many irrelevant data is also being taken into account. And next one is misuse of information. There is a possibility of unsafety, and the security measures which are taken are very bare minimal. So it may have some impact, like the information which is collected can be used for can be misused to harm others and things like that. And then last one is accuracy of data. Certain elements one used to seek help from their clients, but everything has changed, and certain information, rather than making things easy, can make your things very difficult, because with new technologies being changed and elements being included, sometimes data mining may not be a feasible solution. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of data mining. So let's see, it helps to predict future trends, know customer habits, to make decision making easier, to increase company revenue. It depends upon the market based analysis. So you are getting much more reliable information from the customer. Last one, quick fraud detection. Disadvantages: it sometimes violates user privacy. Additional irrelevant information is also being taken while we are doing the data mining process. Misuse of information may happen, it is possible, and the accuracy of data cannot be predicted, or you cannot cash on that. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Now, coming to the next one, what is customer relationship management? It is to identify, maintain, and build up a network with individual consumers, and to continuously strengthen the network for the mutual benefit of both sides through interactive, individualized, and value added contacts over a long period of time. So, customer relationship is ongoing process. It is not limited for a time period. It must continue. It is vast and significant. It can be implemented in small business as well as in large companies. To tell about customer relationship management, it is a strategy which is customized by an organization to manage and administrate its customers and vendors in an efficient manner for achieving excellence in business. So that is called customer relationship management. Okay. So customer relationship management can be done through different ways. One is loyalty program management, like where you are getting rewards and loyalty points which are being given. Then campaign management, you will have automated promotion, multiple promotion methods, etc. Then there is called customer analytics. These handle the duplicates, segmentation, which segment we have to do, householding, customer dashboard, all those things. And master data management, it will be mainly focusing on collecting the data, demographic characteristics of the customers. And next one will be, there are many support systems which are being offered by customer relationship under customer relationship management, like customer support and help desk for 24 hours but 7 days. So these are some of the programs which come under customer relationship management. Now coming to what are the features of customer relationship management. First one is Customer needs. An organization can never assume what actually customer needs, uh, but it is extremely important to know what your customers likes and dislikes are, and so that the actual needs can be ascertained and prioritized. Second one is customer response. It is the reaction by the organization to the queries and activities of customers. Anything which is coming from the customers must be taken seriously, and it should be responded in a very quick and effective manner. Customer satisfaction, it is a measure of how the needs and responses are collaborated and delivered to excel customer expectations. And there is customer loyalty. It is the tendency of the customer to remain in the business with a particular supplier and buy the products regularly. That means there will be customers who will be very loyal to a product or a company, and they will be using only their products. So then these are the things which can be achieved only through customer relationship management. Then customer retention, it is a strategic process to keep or retain the existing customers and not letting them to diverge or defect to other suppliers or organizations for the business. And next one, customer complaints. If there is exist any complaints, it should be genuinely tackled with, and these should be handled in such a manner that there is ultimate satisfaction of the customer is acquired. Then the next one, customer service. In an organization, customer service is the process of delivering information and services regarding all the products and brands. It depends on the quality of service provided to him by the supplier. So basically, customer satisfaction depends on the quality of delivery. Okay, so these are the features: customer needs, customer response, customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, customer retention, customer complaints, customer services. So in today's session, we have dealt with what do you mean by database management system, types of database management system, the 5 components of database. What do you mean by data mining? What is the advantages and disadvantages of data mining? What do you mean by customer relationship management and the features of customer relationship management? In point of view of the exams, customer relationship management is something which is very important, and please learn the definitions of data mining. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this session was understandable, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact. Thank you.